Welcome back to another episode on Mr. Project. Today, this afternoon, I'm going to try and get this job done relatively quickly because it's Friday afternoon, and on Friday afternoons I like to have a couple of these. So I'm going to get the car out and we're going to paint the other side. Also, we have a new addition to the car. We have a new steering wheel. Got rid of the wood grain because it just was not my thing. I'm going to get the car out and we're going to do some painting, and I have a horn to install. I also went out and bought some of this stuff here. I'll talk a little bit about that later when we do put it on the car and why I'm putting it on the car. But for now, I think we'll get the car out and we'll do some painting. We'll check back in when it's outside. Nice moustache, mate. It's
Must ask you a question.
Movember, is it?
No, it's Motober.
Got the car all masked up. Can't stress it enough. Make sure you mask it up so you don't get overspray all over it. We've got the chef with his dirty mo. He's just cooked up a feed of wings. About 10 dead chickens in there. And we're about to do some painting. So I'm going to lay down some black and then I'll check back in. There we go. She's all blacked out. Looking good. Weather forecast 7,000 degrees Celsius. Nah, it's blowing its head off. You've actually blew the bottom of your beard off as well, mate.
Yeah, I blew my tits off too.
Bit windy, but we'll get the job done. What do you reckon of Mr. Project, mate?
Mate, I reckon he's a legend.
How good's that? Look at the paint job.
Mate, was that with spray paint or real paint? Because I reckon that's a bloody
It was a
good
bit
job.
of everything, you know?
I reckon,
Good
that's,
time.
I reckon that's a bloody good job.
Yeah, there you go. Look, I've got fans everywhere, mate. One there. There's one just hanging up there. There's a fan.
That's your biggest fan.
Yeah, right there.
This is right, I tell you now, like, that thing there down in fucking where I'm from, like, it's a fucking absolute bundle of shite. I tell you now.
Yep. Got the car out. I am going to jack it up and I'm going to roll both of these guards. I don't know if you can really see, but there's a bit of a lip there. So I'm just going to get the grinder, cut them and push them in so they don't scrub. Then I'm going to put the Pennard rod in the rear. And then I'm probably going to put some pinch weld around where the intercooler pipes go. Chuck some more coolant in the car. And see how we go. So what I've done is I've just undone the intercooler pipe and undone it down there so I can get in here and put some pinch weld right there. Pinch weld is now on, so that should stop the rattle and also should stop the intercooler pipe wearing a hole in itself, rubbing on this metal. So now I'm going to install the pipe back together and do the other side, and then I'm going to get the grinder and I'm going to roll these guards a little bit and then we'll start the back. Pretty much I've just cut all the way along there in little sections and tap them all in to roll the guards so I don't damage the paint. If you use a guard roller, you end up cracking the paint, so this is the way that I'm going to do it. You can do it however you want, that's just the way I did it. And now there's no lip there. Perfect, so do the other side. Tapped and rolled all of these guards on this side. And we also have our pinch weld in, so we're going to put our wheel back on and then Both sides done. That's our clearancing right there, so the wheels fit, so just cut that little notch out. And that will stop the wheels rubbing. I've already done the other side, so I'll put the wheel back on. Just back from a test drive, everything's going well. All the guards have been rolled. Tomorrow we're going to go out and go for a cruise and take it for a bit longer of a drive to make sure nothing's going to leak. So the next time you see this video, we'll be driving around.
Go on the left.
Well, this is why you test cars, because they do break down. Oh my god. Oh, we just pushed it from over there, fucking right round into this car park. Whew. I'll tell you, I'm puffed. So we got the car fixed. It was a fuse, so we pushed it for nothing.
We nearly died.
We did nearly die, so now we're going for a cruise. going to give you the chop. Thanks for tuning in again, guys. We had a little bit of a mishap this morning where the fuel pump fuse decided to sort of half melt, and we thought we were going to have to tow the car home, but at the end of the day, we figured it all out, and the car is running great. Like, there is no problems with it. Besides that, we are going to do a new video, probably replacing the whole fuse rail. We're going to go an aftermarket fuse rail, and we're going to move it out of the engine bay so it doesn't get melted like it was. And there is one more other thing that I was talking about in the beginning of the video, and I'm going to tell you exactly why I've done that. I'm going to show you right now. So the metal stucco sheeting that I went and bought, I've actually put this over where I grinded all the paint off because it looked horrible. In the future, we're going to go stainless steel and make it look like mirrors. We're going to do mirrored effect, but because I had a big major stuff up underneath there, easy option to cover it up. Plus, you've got the catch can there. That's pretty much what I've done it for. And then I just mirrored it onto the other side so it doesn't look odd. And I don't mind it. I think it looks okay for now. And then I'm going to go stainless steel and make it look like mirrors and do the whole bonnet in it. But for now, it looks pretty good. I hope you really enjoyed the video. Leave a thumbs up and comment and rate. And then next week, we have a big something happening. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but you will see next week in a video what's going to happen. That will probably be the next video. We still have a few things to do on this car, and we do have some more stuff to do on this car. So content is not going to stop. So just relax, calm down. There's still plenty more to come in the future. But until then, I'll catch you on the next one. Comment, like, subscribe, tell all your mates about the video, and I'll see you later.